Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, December 21st, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a little reminder, today is the winter solstice. And what does that mean? It means that today is one of the shortest days. It is the shortest day of the year as far as the sun being up. Then we start to gain sunlight moving forward. So if you're the type of person that really misses the sun, this is great news because while it is going to be the shortest day, we're going to gain more and more sunlight as we move forward over the next days and weeks, and eventually we'll get to spring. But before we do that, we have to get through winter. Right now, it is very chilly out there with a cold front approaching the region and winds veering to the northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior and in your suburbs, mid to upper 30s in your urban areas. With this cold front dropping south, it's going to transport a nice polar air mass into the region, keeping us nice and chilly for the rest of this week. The good news, though, is that we do warm up, and by the time we get to Christmas, we have above normal temperatures, but no precipitation, so not bad at all. It's perfect for traveling. So, as I've been saying, Old St. Nick will not have any problems with this weather pattern to get to your home. So, kids, don't worry. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see not much going on around here. Back towards the west, we have a subtropical jet stream here that continues to send shortwave after shortwave towards the east coast. But in this pattern, the polar jet stream and the subtropical jet stream remain separated, and we are kind of caught in between with not much really going on. That is going to be changing by next week, but there's a lot of uncertainties on how that storm's going to develop. So we'll be keeping an eye on that, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. So, into the forecast for today. High pressure is in control as that cold front drops south. No precipitation is expected, but you'll notice a shift in the winds from northwest to north. Look for temperatures today to range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. Typical weather for December. You'll need a nice coat there with these temperatures, especially by tomorrow morning when temperatures are going to be falling off into the lower to mid 20s throughout the region. We warm up a little bit by tomorrow afternoon with high pressure in place and plenty of clear skies, with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s throughout the region. So we rebound from the 20s. And then we start our real warm up on Saturday with high pressure off the coast. Temperatures will range from the upper teens to lower 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. High temperatures with that southeasterly wind ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. On Sunday, we'll have a weak trough passing through. I think this is a little bit more overdone than reality. I think what we'll actually end up with is just some scattered broken cloud cover. There really isn't a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. What we look for is a term that I've mentioned quite a bit called precipitable water value. And those values are around zero point 0.1. So that's not a lot at all. So if anything actually does develop, it might just be a sprinkle or a flurry, and that's about it. Otherwise, look for tranquil conditions with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. Now, on Christmas Eve, as Santa heads out, you can expect high pressure and control with tranquil conditions, comfortable conditions. So the reindeer will be fine. It's all good. Temperatures by Christmas morning will fall into the lower to mid 30s, and they will rebound in the afternoon with plenty of sunshine into the upper 40s to lower 50s throughout the region. On Tuesday, clouds start to increase as a cold front approaches the region and a warm front approaches from the south. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid 30s and high temperatures to range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. On Wednesday, a cold front, really a included front, approaches the region with periods of showers. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast, and high temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s over the interior and mid to upper 50s along the coast. by Thursday, we'll get a new low pressure starting to develop. And this is where things get a little interesting here because we'll get a bit of a break on Thursday with widely scattered showers and temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. But there is a potential here that this could end up being a bit of a colder storm. And I'm going to jump ahead a little bit to show you as this storm intensifies, it pulls cold air in. And I mentioned last night in the live chat, hey, we need to watch out for the Poconos and Catskills for some sort of changeover here. But the thing I want to bring up here is that there's a lot of data changing here. There's a lot of uncertainty with how all these different shortwaves are going to interact. And this could be another scenario where we get heavy rain on the coast and maybe a heavy wet snow over the interior. So we have to watch this very carefully because there's a lot of moving parts in this storm. In the meantime, though, it definitely will be unsettled for the middle of next week, the final week of 2023. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe out there.